This is the Apple equivalent of ICO. It stores icons for macOS apps. Windows can't use it natively, but you can convert it to PNG to use the image. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's convert it. Let's keep this in our back pocket. I have a specialized, rarely known method for opening ICNS files when conventional applications give up. Here's a hint. Our ultimate backup plan is listed below. ICNS files are Apple macOS icon image files containing multiple resolution variants of an application or document icon in a single container. They store icon images from 1616 pixels up to 1024x1024 pixels, supporting standard and Retina display densities for crisp icon rendering across all macOS display contexts. ICNS files use Apple's icon container format with tagged data blocks for each resolution variant. Image data is stored as PNG or JPEG 2000 compressed bitmaps for larger sizes, and uncompressed or PackBits-compressed data for smaller legacy sizes. The format includes both standard and mask channels for transparency. The ICNS format operates under the official standard set by macOS from Apple Inc. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows shows the visual content, but modifying it thoroughly requires specialized imaging tools. We're performing an initial software compatibility check. Right-click your ICNS file and choose Open With. Test macOS first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often yields a quick solution. When an ICNS file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. We're dealing with a highly specific ICNS file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, viewing on macOS. Double-click the ICNS file on macOS to open it in Preview, which displays all resolution variants contained in the icon file. Select different sizes from the sidebar to inspect individual icon variants. Preview also allows copying individual resolution images for use in other applications. Next, viewing on Windows. Open ICNS files on Windows using IrfanView with plugins installed, or the free ICNS Viewer utility. These tools display the icon variants and allow export to PNG or ICO format. Online conversion services can also convert ICNS to PNG if you prefer not to install additional software. Finally, creating and editing ICNS. Use Icon Composer on older macOS versions or the IconUtil command line tool on modern macOS to create ICNS files from a set of PNG images. Prepare PNG images at required sizes and place them in an icon set folder, then run IconUtil, see ICNS folder, icon set. For GUI editing, use Image2Icon or Axialis Icon Workshop. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.